guys. Would you like to know what exactly is going to happen this year and what you can do so that you can make your life better? Hi, I am Preeti and today I am going to discuss with you your yearly reading for your sun sign. Means this is based on your date of birth. Okay, so in this video, we will be getting into your health, wealth, relationship, career, all of that stuff. So make sure that you watch this entire video till the end to get the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. So let's get started. So first, for the health card, we have the strength card. Okay, so generally, you may feel that your health is weak. You don't have enough strength to cope up with whatever life is throwing at you. But this card says that you have to have those guts, you have to build your willpower, and you have to stand your grounds because you need to develop that strength. Okay, you need to develop your strength. You need to, yes, you need to just become very, very strong because you don't have any other option except being strong. Okay, and see, this card also says that if you attempt on becoming strong, if you try to become strong, you will definitely get that strength. Okay, because even divine is helping. You can see the infinity sign. Divine is also helping you to become that strong. So yes, becoming strong will be something that you would like to do. Okay, let's see what is happening in your money area. So for money, we have these two cards. Okay, so this shows that just sitting and enjoying all the money that you have, just enjoying, just being happy with the money you have. You can do that this year, but at the same time you will have to go out and work to get extra money. Okay, so whatever you have, if you want to be happy with that, you can just sit and enjoy. But also the cards are saying that you will have to get up and run for getting more money. Okay, this card also says that just sitting and waiting for money to come in is not going to work. You have to work hard and go out there to achieve more money. Okay, so that is showing for your money. Yeah, yes, working hard and taking the next action to get more money. Yes. Okay, let's see what is happening in your relationship area. Okay, relationships where your family, friends, colleagues, all of these people are included. So first of all, this card shows that you may take a vacation with your family, which is definitely a good thing. Okay, taking a vacation with your family, going out with them, that would be a good thing. But also this year is going to reveal somebody's true colors, right? This is something that nobody would like to experience. Okay, everybody wants that all of their relationships, they just stay nice and balanced. All the relationships, they stay good. But this is something that would be tricky, not exactly tricky, it would be disheartening because you won't like to experience this. Okay, what exactly you can expect is where you did not expect. Okay, expect the unexpected, that's the best word. For all the people, some of the people, not all the people, but for some relationships, certain truths might be hidden from you, which will be revealed, which will be difficult to accept. Some very shocking facts will come to surface, which again will be very difficult to, yes, to accept that came from that person. Okay, so this is what is happening with your relationship area. Okay, and for some relationships, okay, you may actually have to move on and just forget that relationship because yes, some relationship may actually break because people may change their colors. Okay, so just because people change their colors, people change their sides, which will make it, yes, you may find it very disheartening, but yes, that may happen with a few people. Then let's see what's happening in your love life. This card shows that things can be difficult in your love life. First of all, if you are single, this card is good news, okay, because it's going to break that singlehood. You are going to get into a relationship. There are chances that you can get into a committed relationship this year, okay. Then suppose if you are in a relationship, suppose if you are if you have a life partner, if you have a husband, a spouse, okay, if you have a spouse or if you have a girlfriend or boyfriend, this card is not good news, okay. This card shows that there are chances of breakup, there are chances of yes, divorce also. I don't like saying this, but whatever the card says, I have to tell you the truth. Okay. One more thing is that, see, if your relationship had a lot of problems where it was very, very difficult for you to cope up, very difficult for you to manage your relationship, those problems can come to an end. Okay. If there were a lot of problems for a lot of years, those problems are going to come to an end in a good way. Yes. But though it's a good thing that the problems are going to end, there are chances that the relationship itself is ending. So the problems are also ending. Okay. So I wish that your relationship, it stays with you, it doesn't break. Yeah, that's my hope for you. Okay, let's see the next card. This is a career card, okay, for you. And for your career, the card says that you have to be this king. You have to be the king for your career. So what does that mean? There are chances that yes, career is going to go really well. Okay, career is going to go well. Whatever work you are doing, you are going to excel at whatever it is. Okay, second thing, if you are not working and if you are looking for work, you may get into a job that is extremely good. Okay, you may get into a job that is really good. You may get a job where sitting and working at an office would be possible. Second, more chances of working in a healing profession, doctor, nurse, medical staff, or something, that also is possible. So yes, so this is coming for your career. Let's see what is happening in your spirituality, which is actually not looking good. Okay, so let's see what is happening. First of all, there are full chances that spiritually you are not yet ready to dive deeper into spiritual levels, into levels of your subconscious mind, which is why there are chances that you may be depressed, you may face depression also. At the same time, you may even face double mindedness, okay, where you are not exactly able to make up your mind, you're not able to decide good for yourself, you're always double minded, okay, your mind is always torn between two different options. So yes, this can be there. Okay, so you may say, okay, so how do I come up from this? So from this, the main thing is at night time, try to make sure that you get good sleep. Second is, don't try to procrastinate too much. Don't procrastinate too much. Third thing is, don't try to overthink. Okay, when people get depression, they usually end up into imagining a lot of worst case scenarios, which can be your case also. Okay, you don't have to imagine a lot of worst case scenarios. That is how you will be able to deal with your mind. Okay, and also, just because we have both of these cards, it does show something is wrong with your mind. You may be very disturbed, mind may be disturbed, so maybe if you need professional help, then do take it. Okay, and if it's not that serious, I would suggest that you begin meditation. Meditation is a key to everything. Meditation can help you to deal with a lot of problems. So yes, you'll be able to deal with a lot of problems once you meditate. All of this can start diminishing. Okay, so yes, so that is it for your reading. I hope that you liked it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, share this video with all those people. Yes, share all the yearly reading videos with all the people in your group, and leave a comment. Okay, let me know in comments how much of this has resonated. Okay, if you're watching it, if you're just watching this video in the beginning of the year, maybe nothing much has happened. So once you experience some months, few months, then come back to this video and let me know in the comments what exactly happened and how it happened, all of that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Keep following the path of your soul's purpose because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.